Welcome, my dear student, in our math program for secondary 3. Dear student, today we are taking new lesson in calculus differentiation. What is the title? The equation of the tangent and the normal. Dear student, look at introduction about the tangent and normal equations. أعزائي طلبة وطلبات شهادة الثانوية العامة، اليوم نتطرق إلى درس جديد في مادة التفاضل والتكامل اسمه معادلة المماس والعمودي. Dear student, the equation of the tangent and the normal curve. Look at the opposite graph curve, and we have tangent touch the curve at point x1, x1, y1. We have equation of the curve and equation of the normal on the tangent on the curve. The equation of the tangent to the curve is rule y minus y1 equals dy over dx, or slope of the straight line which touches the curve at point x1, y1 multiply x minus x1. We can put dy by dx as m. What is the m? Slope of straight line which touches the curve. Then the equation of the curve is y minus y1 equal dy over dx at this point x1, y1 times x minus x1. Remember, dear student, the tangent touch the curve at point x1, y1. This is equation of the curve, but equation of the normal must be equal y minus y1 equals what? -1 over dy by dx, or slope of straight line, times x minus x1. Remember, the first equation represent equation of the curve. Y minus y1 equals dy over dx multiply x minus x1. But in this equation is equation of normal. What is the meaning of equation of the normal? Normal perpendicular to the tangent of the curve is y minus y1 equals -1 over dy by dx at point x1, y1 multiply x minus x1. Example. Dear student, now we are taking the important example. Find the equation of the tangent and the normal. This lesson very important by using two equations, tangent equation and normal equation. The curve equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals 0. This is given of the curve equation. We find equation of the tangent and the normal at point -2, 1. Solution. At the first, we find by differentiation respect to x. Remember, dear student, the first is 2x plus 2y dy over dx plus 2 minus 3 dy by dx equals 0. As the first, we find differentiation respect to x. Why? We can calculate dy over dx by substitution about this point x and y. Then differentiation of x power 2 to x. Differentiation of 2y, y power 2, 2y times dy over dx. Differentiation of 2x is 2. Differentiation of -3 y equals -3 dy by dx by constant 2 is equal 0. Then by using highest common factor at x equal -2, y equals 1, find dy over dx. By substitution, we find dy by dx is equal -2. What you mean dy over dx? This slope of the straight line which touch or the tangent of the curve, then m equals -2. Slope of the tangent. After that, we find equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the tangent? X and student y minus y1 equal dy over dx at this point, or m multiply x minus x1. Remember, m means slope is dy over dx at point x1, y1. By substitution about x1, y1, then y minus 1, m equal -2 from the previous, multiply x plus 1. By using distribution method, we find y minus 1 equals -2x minus 4. Then answer is 2x plus y plus 3 equals 0. This is equation of the tangent. What is the equation of the normal? Y minus y1 over -1 over m. Remember, m equals what? X is certain, -2. Then -1 over m is 1 over 2, multiply x plus 2. Then we, by using cross, 2y minus 2 equal x plus 2. Then answer is x minus 2y plus 4 equals 0. This equation of the normal. Example. Find the equation of each of the tangent and the normal of the curve. Y equal 10x. Find the equation of each of the tangent and the normal to the curve y equal 10x. At point x equals pi over 4. What do you mean pi over 4 equal 45? Pi is 180. The required is find the equation of each of the tangent and the normal to the curve y equals 10x. Remember, this x is pi over 4. Solution. When x equal pi over 4, then tan pi over 4 equals 1. This point is pi over 4 and -1. Y equal 10x dy over dx equals 6 square x. As by x equal pi over 4, dy by dx 6 square pi over 4. This is slope or dy by dx by using pi is sec power 2 pi over 4 sec inverse of cosine. Cosine is root 2 over 2, but sec square is 2. The answer is m is slope of straight line is 2 by using equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. Substitution about m and x1, y1. Therefore, equation is y minus 1 equal 2 multiply x minus pi over 4. By using y minus 1 equals 2x minus pi over 2, then 2x minus y plus 1 minus pi over 2 equals 0. This equation of the tangent. By substitution about pi equal 22 over 7, answer is or equation becomes 2x minus y plus 1 negative 11 over 7 equals 0. By using 1 negative 11 over 7, then is 2x negative y plus 1 minus 11 over 7 multiplied by 0 multiplied by 7. Answer is 14x minus 7y negative 4 equals 0. Equation of the normal, remember, equation of the normal y minus y1 equal -1 over m multiply x minus x1. In this case, y minus 1 equal -1 over 2 multiply 2 x minus pi over 4. Equation becomes 2y minus 2 negative x plus pi على 4. By using x plus 2y minus 2 minus pi over 4 equals 0. Multiply each term by 4. Answer is 4x plus 8y minus 8 negative y equals 0. Then 4x plus 5y negative 2 minus 2 over 7 equals 0. Multiply by 7. Answer is 28x plus 56y minus 56 negative 22 equals 0. Then by highest common factor, or like terms negative 56 negative 22 equal negative 78 divided by 0, even number. Then answer is 14x plus 28y negative 39 equals 0. This equation of the normal. Now we are translate to another example. Dear student, remember slope of straight line. Slope of straight line means we have many slope. By using tan theta, we find the slope of straight line. Remember, we use the slope of straight line when we find the equation of the normal and the equation of the tangent. Remember, equation of the tangent means y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. Dear student, look at the important example. The two curves y equal ax3 plus bx and y equal cx squared minus x has common tangent at a point negative 1, 2. The two curves, y first curve is y equal ax power 3 plus bx. The second curve, y equal cx squared minus x, has common tangent at point negative 1, 2. Find the value of a, b, and c. Then find the equation of the common tangent. This example is very important. Solution. Remember, the student, negative 1, 2 belongs the first curve and the second curve. What do you mean? I mean, the two curves has one tangent. One tangent equation or tangent touch two curves at one point. Then negative 1, 2 belongs the first and belongs the second. By using substitution about x equal negative 1, y equals 2 in the first curve, then the first equation is 2 minus a negative 2b. This equation number 1. After that, negative 1, 2 belongs the second curve. Then 2 equal c plus 1. After that, c equals 1. Since y equal ax power 3 plus bx, we find dy by dx equal 3ax power 2 plus b. This is slope of the y equal ax3 plus bx. At x equal negative 1, by substitution about x equal 1, then dy by dx is 3a plus b. We have three equations. Y equal cx squared minus x. Then by using c equals 1, then y equals x squared minus x. dy by dx equals 2x minus 1. After that, we find dy by dx at x equal negative 1. Answer is negative 3. 2 times negative 1, negative 2 minus 1 equals negative 3. This is slope of the tangent, dy by dx. Then 3a plus b equal negative 3. By using 2a equal negative 1, a equals negative 1 over 2. by using in the first equation negative a negative v equals 2, then 1 over 2. Why? Because a equals negative half. Negative times negative 1 over 2 minus b equals 2. Then b equals negative 3 over 2. Equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1 by using about x and y, x1, y1 and m. Then y minus 2 equals negative 3 multiply x plus 1. Remember, slope equal negative 3 dy by dx, and substitution about x1, y1 equal negative 1 and 2. The equation of the tangent is y minus 2 multiply equals negative 3 multiply bracket contains x plus 1. Then equation becomes y minus 2 equal negative 3 negative 3x negative 3. Then equation is 3x plus y plus 1 equals 0. This equation of the tangent. Now we are translate to important example. Prove that the two curves y equal x squared minus x plus 2 and y equal 3x minus x squared are tangential. What do you mean of the tangential? Mean has one tangent. And then find the equation of the common tangent. Solution. Remember, dear student, the first curve, its equation y equal x2 or x squared minus x plus 2. We find dy by dx by differentiation respect to x. Then the second equation y equal 3x minus x squared. We have two equations of the two curves. By using equation number 1 and equation number 2, y equal left hand side, then right hand side equal right hand side. By putting x squared minus x plus 2 equal 3x minus x, by using like terms, we find equation is 2x squared minus 4x plus 2 equals 0. Divided each term by 2. Answer is x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. This factorization? Yes. By using factorization, we find the value of x, then x equals 1. After that, by substitution about x equal 1 in curve y equal 2. The point of tangency is 1 and 2. Remember, dear student, x equals 1, y equal 2 in the two equations. After that, we deduce that the point of the tangency 1 and 2. What do you mean? The two curves has one tangent. That this tangent or common tangent touch the two curves at one point is 1 and 2. Since y equals x squared minus x plus 2, then we find slope of this curve by differentiation respect to x, dy by dx equal 2x minus 1. After that, we find dy by dx at x equal 1, then the slope is 2 times 1 minus 1 equals 1. By using y equal 3x minus x squared, we find also dy by dx or differentiation respect to x. Answer is 3 minus 2x. By substitution about x equals 1 also, m2 equals 1. What did you use, dear student? m1 equals m2, each one is equal to -1, then and two curves intersect at point 1, 2. Then we deduce that the two curves are tangential. Remember, dear student, two curves tangential means has one tangent or two tangent intersect at 1 point 1, 2. Remember that 1, 2, this point lie in each curve. substitution or satisfies the each curve equation 1 and equation 2. After that, substitution on the tangency equation. The equation of the tangent is y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. What is the m? Slope. What is the slope? Is 2. Then by substitution about m, y minus m equals 1 in the first and the second, and substitution about x equal 1 and 2, 1 and 2, x1 equal 1, y1 equals 2. Then equation of the tangent is y minus 2 equals 1 multiply x minus 1. After that, we deduce the equation of the tangent in form x minus y plus 1 equals 0. Now we are translate to another example. Find the equation of the tangent of the curve y equal x squared minus x and pass through the point 1, negative 4. At the first, look at the solution. Look at the curve. The curve or the tangent intersect the curve at point x1, y1, but the point 1, negative 4 lie on the tangent. Let x1, y1 is a point of tangency. Then y1 by using substitution about y1 equal y equals y1, x equal x1. Then the curve is y1 equal x1 squared minus x1. Why? Because the point x1, y1 belongs to the curve and belongs to the tangent. Then we deduce when y equal x squared minus x by using dy by dx, differentiation respect to x, we find dy over dx equal 2x minus 1. Therefore, dy by dx equals in the curve, which equation y1 equal x1 squared minus x1 becomes 2x1 minus 1. Slope is my1 minus 4 over x1 minus 1. In this case, dear student, we use slope of a straight line passes through 2 points. Remember, dear student, when we have 2 points on a straight line, we have the slope by using the rule y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So 2 point x1, y1, 1 and 4, 1 and negative 4 belongs to straight line. The slope of a straight line y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is y1 plus 4 over x1 minus 1 equals y1 plus 4 by substitution about m equal x minus 1. This is slope dy by dx. dy by dx means m. m equals y1 plus 4 over x1 minus 1 equals to x minus 1 minus 1. By using cross multiplication, we find y1 plus 4 equals x1 minus 1 multiply to x minus 1 to x1 minus 1. Answer is y1 is equals to x1 squared minus 3x1 minus 3. Then x1 squared minus x1, this is y1, equals 2x1 squared minus 3x1 minus 3. Therefore, x1 squared minus 2x1 minus 3 equals 0 by using factorization to find the value of x1. x1 minus 3 inside bracket multiply x1 plus 1 inside bracket equals 0. Then each one is equal 0. Each bracket equals 0. Therefore, x1 equals 3, and by using in equation in y1, we find 9, y equal 9 minus 3 equals 6. This point is 3, 6. Remember, we have dy by dx equals 6 minus 1 equals 5. Then equation of the tangent is y minus 6 multiply 5 equals 5 multiply x minus 1. Remember, equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal x equal slope, or m multiply x minus x1. Therefore, y minus 6 equal 5 multiply x minus 3. Therefore, equation of the tangent becomes y minus 5x plus 9 equals 0. By using another one, when x1 equal negative 1, then y1 equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. Therefore, negative 1 and 2, this point by using dy by dx, negative 2, negative 1 equal negative 3. Then equation of the tangent becomes y minus 2 equal negative 3. This is slope, multiply bracket contains x plus 1. Therefore, y plus 3x plus 1 equal what? 0. This is the second equation of the tangent. Remember, dear student, we have two equations of the tangent. The first equation when x equals 1, and second equation when x equals what? Negative 1. By using dy by dx, negative 2, negative 1 equal negative 3. Remember, dear student, look at the curve. The curve has point x1, y1. x1, y1 belongs the curve, belongs to straight line, or belongs the tangent. Straight line touch the curve at point x1, y1. We find equation of the tangent by using the rule. What is the rule? Y minus y1 equals dy by dx multiply x minus x1. Remember, m is slope of the straight line which touch the curve. What you mean? Dy by dx. By using dy by dx, we find negative 2, negative 1 equal negative 3. Then this slope of straight line equal negative 3. After that, by substitution about equation of the tangent, remember, dear student, what is the equation of the tangent? Excellent student. Y minus y1 equal dy over dx multiply x minus x1 inside bracket. By substitution about y1 equals 2 and x1 negative 1. Remember, x1, y1 has 2 points. The first is x1, y1 in the last equation, and in the second equation when x1 equal negative 1 and y1 equals 2. By substitution of equation of the tangent, y minus 3 equals negative 3 multiply x plus 1. Then look at left hand side, y minus 2, right hand side negative 3x negative 3. Then by using left hand side and right hand side, the equation becomes y plus 3x plus 1 equals 0 is the equation of the tangent. In this rule, very important rule, has two equations of the tangent. Why? Because we have two values of x and have two values of y. Then this point by substitution about the first y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1. This is the first equation. But the second equation when x1 equal negative 1 and y equals 2, by substitution about y minus y1 equal m multiply x minus x1, we reach to final equation of the tangent is y plus 3x plus 1 equal 0. Dear student, by the end of the lesson, we find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. What is the difference between equation of the tangent and equation of the normal? Remember, dear student, equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal dy over dx multiply bracket x minus x1. But equation of the normal y minus y1 equal 1 over negative 1 over dy by dx multiply x minus x1. Dear student, I am very happy to spend such time with you. Goodbye.